Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with another update to the Prisoner Lotus Super 7. Now, this is going to be a shorter update than what I was kind of hoping to have by this point, because I've hit a few roadblocks with this build, the first and biggest of which is I am out of my British green paint that I need for the body here. Uh, I thought I had enough to do it. I thought I had a backup can available, but I totally didn't. And shipping delays mean that I'm still waiting for it to arrive, though it is scheduled to be here sometime next week. Now, fortunately, because of the way that this kit is made, everything is based around the body as the main spine of it. So without that, take a quick look here at what the hood looks like, and you can kind of see there's not enough paint here to work with. So until that's here, uh, I have done a little bit of work, taking a look at the engine first. I got that all painted and put together, got some wiring on it. Uh, Really, generally nice little piece, up to Tammy's usual standards. Deep green for the block, some titanium for the transmission. And speaking of which, another thing I ran into, I managed to drop it and snap part of the tail shaft off there. But fortunately, this is hidden inside the car, so don't really have to fix that. It's more an irritation than anything else. And I also ditched the intake bells, replaced those with some metal parts that I had on hand. Another thing that I did was I decided that instead of trying to paint the inside of the body, I was going to use these, made myself some custom door panel inserts, and that way, got a nice sharp edge there, and like I said, cuts down on the amount of masking that I need to do. So we got these all ready to go. And now at this point, I'm just waiting for some paint so I can finish the body and put all of the pieces that you see here together. So hopefully I'll be getting that in the next couple of days. And as long as I do, I will have a proper update on this project next weekend. So you can check back then. And thanks for watching.